Hey there, crypto fans, and welcome to Altcoin Radar. This is a place where beginners like you and I can do some research and learn all about the many different cryptocurrencies and altcoins together. So today, guys, we're going to learn all about Holochain, or Hotcoin, and the project behind the name. So let's see what this project's all about. Now, I already did a little bit of research, not too much, but a little bit of research before starting this video. So this is one of those coins where it's not like... it's not really a project for end users. It's more of a project for developers to build. It's more of a project for developers to build projects for end users. So currently, we'll just touch base a little bit on price first, and then we'll visit their website and see what they got to say on their website. So on CoinMarketCap, Holochain is currently ranking at number 126, and it is trading for a little less than quite a bit less than a penny. And actually, it's up quite a bit right now. So it took a massive jump here lately. I'm actually curious. I want to see where when this jumped up. Was it within the last 3 months? Let's see here. Wow, it looks like this coin seems like this coin kind of jumps up quite often. It went up quite a bit here back in January. Then it dived down quite a bit, and then now it's back up again. It took a pretty straight shot up recently. So yeah, as you can see, if you got money into this coin right now, you made some bank, or you lost bank. So all right, guys. Oh, there we go. It was up 38%. Now it's up 39%. So, all right. But this video, obviously my videos aren't about price. It's about the project behind the coin. So we are going to talk about the project of Holochain. So what does CoinMarketCap have to say? According to CoinMarketCap, Holo is a peer-to-peer distributed platform for hosting centralized or decentralized applications built using Holochain, which is a framework for developing dApps that does not require the use of blockchain technology. The goal of Holo is to serve as a bridge between the broader internet and apps using Holochain, offering an ecosystem and marketplace in which dApps are easily accessible as they are hosted on the internet by Holo network participants. The Holo network will be facilitated using a token called HoloFuel, which is actively being tested and will act as an accounting system to pay hosts for their services. In 2018, the project minted an ERC20 token called HOT, H-O-T, also known as Holo token, as an IOU that will be redeemable for HoloFuel upon launch. Holo is still in development and is expected to launch for open, alpha, and beta testing by sometime in 2021. I mean, we're already in 2021 right now, just barely in February. But I guess we'll see what happens. So, let's see here. I don't really want to talk about who the founders are because that doesn't really matter. What makes Holo unique? According to its green paper, if anyone feels a little salty about what I just said about the founders of it, and it doesn't really matter, my apologies. For my video, I don't feel like it's necessary for me to talk about the founders. My video is about the project. I really don't want to go into, waste time on the founders and the actual people who built the coin. I want to know about the coin and what it does and what it is. So, according to its green paper, Holo is designed to act as a bridge between Holochain, which represents the world of crypto technology, and everyday users. The project highlights several innovations that it says will enable a large shift in the landscape of crypto applications and currencies, including the ability to host P2P apps on the internet for mainstream users. The Holo network relies on a series of hosts that provide storage and processing power for dApps built using Holochain. Hosts either install software on their computer that runs in the background and automatically allocates extra processing power to Holochain-based dApps, or they operate a dedicated machine such as Holoport. In exchange, hosts are paid in HoloFuel, a token that is specifically designed for microtransactions. The design of HoloFuel is expected to allow the the Holo network to process billions of simultaneous transactions. The project's business plan centers on building a P2P ecosystem of hosts and applications, comparing its intended effect on app hosting to that of Uber and Airbnb on the taxi and motel industries, respectively. Holo charges a fee on Holo Fuel transactions, so its revenue model is directly tied to growing the number of applications and hosts on the network. All right. Let's see here. Where can you buy Holocoin? Not Holocoin, HOT. HOT is the name of the coin for Holochain. HOT can be purchased on cryptocurrency exchanges such as Binance, BitTrue, Probit Exchange, and MEXC.com. I know for a fact it's on Binance. Back before Binance kicked all the United States users off of their app, before they built the US version of the app, I remember trading it on Binance back in the day. So I know it's on Binance, among others. It can be traded also on spot markets against fiat currencies such as US dollar and the euro, cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ether, and the stablecoin Tether, USDT. Well, I don't know about Tether too much. There's a lot of negativity around Tether, so I personally wouldn't touch it. But anyway, are you interested in buying HOT or other cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin? Okay, well, we are going to visit their website now and see what their website's got to say. Holochain. All right, that's a pretty cool logo. That's not the logo that's here. Huh. They must have a bunch of logos or something, because I remember seeing this logo on, on Binance years ago, and that was like the main logo for their coin on Binance. I don't recognize this logo whatsoever, so oh well. All right. They really don't have much information here. Usually with websites, you're supposed to have some kind of something above the fold, which is above the fold of the website here, that makes you want to learn more about the website. But I don't know. This is bad marketing to me, in my opinion. Other people can probably disagree with me, but whatever. This is my opinion. Holochain, think outside the blocks. All right, they've got the little explainer video right here, and some testimonials. Scalable distributed apps with integrity, versatile solutions, decentralization with no bottlenecks, and adaptable validation. Peer-to-peer, no centralized servers, no ledgers, no middleman. Agent-centric, okay. A more human internet. Each of us wants to have control over how and with whom we interact. In order to evolve and thrive, our communities must support everyone's uniqueness. Yet today, our online relationships are dominated by centralized corporate websites. That's for sure. Holochain enables a distributed web with user autonomy built directly into its architecture and protocols. Data is about remembering our lived and shared experiences. Distributing the storage and processing of that data can change how we coordinate and interact. With digital integration under user control, Holochain liberates our online lives from corporate control over our choices and information. Okay, that doesn't really say much about Holochain. So, how does Holochain work? If you really want to know more about how Holochain works, listen to their co-founder on this video, I guess. Holochain helps people. It helps people own their own data, control their identity, connect applications to suit their needs, transact without centralized systems, build lighter, faster, cheaper applications. Holochain apps help governance and collaboration, social media, social networks and vendor links, sharing economy, and platform co-ops. Supply chain wins and social economy or communities. Start building your own innovative applications. We're not just a magic idea white paper. You can build cutting-edge distributed apps in JavaScript or Lisp on our platform right now. Your apps will have access to core services like a customizable UI, the Holochain DPKI app that manages keys and identities across Holochain applications, the Holo platform for serving crypto apps to normal web browsers, API bridges between crypto apps, and the capacity to migrate data when updating distributed apps. To develop Holochain applications, you need to know about getting Holochain installed, how to use the command line tools, how to configure your application by creating a DNA file, how to write your application code in JavaScript or Lisp, how to link through building a distributed application, how to build a user interface for your app, and how to test your application code. So, as you guys can tell, this coin is, well, specifically for developers. This is not something where, like, an everyday end user like you and I, who are not technologically advanced, if you're not, will understand. So this is another one of those projects for, mainly for developers. Or, I mean, if you want to trade it, go right ahead. But, the project itself, again, I'm not talking about the price here. The project itself is for developers. So yeah. All right, guys, now that we've got a pretty decent idea of what Holochain is all about, go ahead and take a minute and subscribe to the channel so that you can join me in learning about all these different cryptocurrencies and altcoins in my future videos with me. And with that said, guys, thanks a lot for watching and learning with me in this video. And with that said, you guys, I will see you guys in the next video, hopefully.